SUAPP AIR image to CAD. Whether it's an architectural rendering, a hand-drawn floor plan, or even a real-life photo, you can now convert it into a CAD drawing with just one click using SUAPP AIR. It's almost unbelievable. For example, upload a simple hand-drawn interior floor plan. Find link CV2 in the style lib. Select CAD drawing. If you want to add more to the CAD drawing, just enter a prompt, like with dimensions, with furniture layout. Then click Create, and you'll get a complete CAD drawing in one go. From there, choose Remove Marker. To get a clean, unlabeled CAD drawing, click Editing. Select Image to CAD. Choose Type and Style at the top. Enter a prompt if needed or leave it blank. Click Create. One-click CAD generation. You can view all the CAD layers, zoom, pan, and make adjustments. Click Save to download the file as DWG file, and continue editing in any CAD software. Try uploading a site plan as well. Go to Editing Mode, Image to CAD. Choose Style, Color Blocks. Click Create. Get a color-blocked map. Each color block becomes a separate layer, perfect for master planning, site analysis, diagrams, and more. Easily organize and tweak everything in CAD. There's so much more you can do. Come try it out now.